Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting a dedicated journal or app and deciding layout. This reduces friction. Once chosen, open to a fresh page and write today's date. Next, set a short, timed routine of 5–10 minutes to capture finishers. This makes it habitual. Then list 3 priority tasks and add estimated minutes so you know scope. Do this now so momentum starts. Writing estimates teaches pacing and prevents tasks from quietly expanding beyond your available time. Once your list exists, break each task into manageable segments. 10 to 25 minutes works well, so you can finish portions reliably. As you work, record actual start and stop times and note interruptions. This builds an accurate log and reveals patterns. Make quick outcome marks like done, partial, or needs follow-up. This keeps the page scannable. Make sure to add brief notes on blockers or next steps so resuming is immediate. Over time, these details improve planning and reduce rework. You finish by doing a brief end-of-day review. Mark what's complete, migrate unfinished items, and jot one lesson learned so tomorrow starts clearer. Once a week, summarize totals and recurring blockers to improve estimates and habits. If you hit a wall, identify the single blocker and take a 5-minute reset. Stand, breathe, or change location, then reassign the task into a smaller piece. This troubleshooting tip prevents spinning. It restores momentum and makes finishers' journal entries actionable.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.